Hi everyone, welcome back to ChaSpeaks. I'm Doc Cha Gonzalez, your learning partner on ChaSpeaks. For this video today, we are diving into exciting world of science made easier and more fun with the help of artificial intelligence or AI. Whether you're a student, struggling with tough topics, or just curious about how AI can help you learn, this video is for you. So grab your notebooks, laptops, and mobile phone, and let's get started. Thank you for turning into ChaSpeaks. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give us a like, and share it with your friends. Your support helps us bring you even more inspiring contents. Want to take a step further? Be a channel member today and unlock exclusive perks and keep watching so that you can more discover a lot of things on ChaSpeaks. So, what is artificial intelligence? First, let's talk about artificial intelligence or AI. AI refers to machines or software that can perform tasks that usually require human intelligence, like understanding a language, recognizing images, or solving problems. When we use AI or for learning science, it helps us understand complex concepts in a simpler and more attractive way. So, why use AI to learn science? AI opens a world of opportunities for students. You. It can provide personalized explanations, adjust learning materials based on your progress, and even quizzes, okay, or quiz to strengthen your understanding. For example, if you're having a trouble on photosynthesis, an AI-powered app can break it down step by step and give you practice questions until you fully get it. Example 1, AI-powered science apps. Let's look at some AI-powered apps that can help you study. Tools like Khan Academy and Socratic by Google use AI to answer your science questions. You simply take a photo of your homework, and the app provides explanations and resources tailored to your needs. It's like having a tutor in your own packet. Example 2, interactive simulations. Another fantastic way AI helps is through interactive simulation or through the use of interactive simulation. Websites like Pet Interactive Simulation let you experiment with virtual science labs. You can test theories, see what happens when you change variables, and visualize abstract concepts like electricity, or chemical reactions, all guided by AI suggestion to deepen your learning. Third, AI chatbots or virtual assistants. AI chatbots like ChatGPT can answer your science question instantly. If you're stuck on biology topic, just type a question and the AI gives you easy to understand explanation or helps you brainstorm for projects. With its booths available 24/7, no need to wait for tutoring hours. Some top AI chatbots include ChatGPT, Google Bard, Meta AI, Alexa, Siri, Google Assistant, Cloud, Chatbot, Copilot, among others. What are the tips in using AI effectively? First, be specific with your questions. The more detailed you give, the better AI can help. For example, when you're learning a science concept, instead of asking, "Can you explain photosynthesis?" try asking, "Can you explain the steps of photosynthesis in plants, including the role of sunlight and chlorophyll?" This allows AI to provide a more targeted and detailed explanation tailored to your needs. You can also ask, for example, diagrams or even quizzes related to the topics. Being clear and detailed in your explanation ensures that you get accurate and useful information. Second, double check information. AI is powerful, but always confirm facts with your textbooks or teachers. Using AI to learn science concepts can be really helpful. Think of AI as a smart assistant that can explain things in different ways, answer your questions, and even provide examples or quizzes, okay, and other things. For instance, if you're struggling to understand how photosynthesis works, you can ask an AI powered tool to break it down into simpler steps or show you a short video explanation. However, it is important to remember that while AI can give quick answers, it is not perfect. Sometimes it may not be up to date or could miss some details. That's why it is good it is a good idea to use your textbooks or ask your teachers to make sure what you learn is accurate. Combining AI with your study materials helps you get the best understanding of science concepts. In short, use AI to explore topics, ask for clarification, or test your knowledge, but always double check what you have learned, okay, what you learn to make sure it's correct. Also, be critical, always double check facts. Keep in mind that AI tools are results intensive. Write, read, and think independently from AI just being a tool. And do not share sensitive information. AI or use AI as a supplement, not a replacement. It's there to help you, but your own effort matters most. Think of AI like a helpful tool in your toolbox. It can make things easier, faster, and even spark new ideas. It shouldn't do all the work for you. When you use AI, you still need to bring your own knowledge, creativity and judgment to the table. Relying solely on AI might lead you missed details or lack of personal touch in your work. So let AI assist you, but remember your input, review, and understanding are what truly makes the results meaningful and high quality. Next, explore different AI tools to see which one fits your learning styles best. Exploring different AI tools is a great way to find out what works best for you. Everyone learns differently. Some people prefer visual aids, others like interactive features, and some enjoy straightforward text explanation. But trying out various AI tools like chatbots, educational apps, or virtual tutors, you can discover which one really match your preferences and make learning enjoyable and effective for you. Don't be afraid to experiment and see which platform helps you absorb information more easily. Lastly, keep practicing. Use AI for quizzes, flashcards, or generating practice problems. Keep practicing. You can make your study session more effectively by using AI tools. For example, you might try using AI powered quiz generators to test your understanding of the materials or create digital flashcards that you can review on your phone anytime. If you want more challenging practice, you can even ask AI to make custom practice problems for you. The more you practice with these tools, the better you'll get at remembering and applying what you have learned. Real life stories, success stories. Okay, many students have improved their science grades by using AI tools. For example, Maria, a high schooler from Manila, used AI apps to prepare for her exams and saw her scores going up. Stories like her show that with the right tools and mindset, anyone can master basic science concepts. And that's it for today's video on learning basic science concept using AI. I hope these examples and tips will help you in your science journey. If you find this video helpful, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to ChaSpeaks, and hit notification bell so you won't miss our next videos. Don't forget to leave your comment below, share your favorite AI tools, or ask your science question. And if you want to be part of the inspiring learning community, join us as a member of ChaSpeaks community. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Remember, using AI to grow your knowledge, not to copy paste.